Good afternoon, Cabarrus County. This is Erin Shue with the Cabarrus Health Alliance here with your COVID-19 update. Today is Wednesday, April the 22nd. Our case count today is 236 cases. Of those, 124 people have recovered. We've had 7 deaths, leaving 105 individuals as active cases. So 236 is our case count for today. Wanted to talk about a few quick things with you today, but first we have to give a huge thanks to Ms. Playtech's class at J.M. Robinson High School for providing a pizza lunch to our staff today at CHA. So thank you so much. These students won a contest, a video competition contest, and they were supposed to have the pizza party. And since they've not been able to, they donated that to CHA. So can't tell you how much we really appreciate that thoughtfulness, and we promise to get you back when you are back to school. We are watching the news very closely for what LabCorp announced today with some at-home test kits. So we've been in touch with our LabCorp representatives, and we will bring to you that information and what we can expect here in Cabarrus County as those begin to be released into the communities. Last but not least, we are continuing to get a few complaints from individuals both about essential and non-essential businesses. So please, if you have those concerns, you can reach out to us, response@cabarrushealth.org. Thank you to all the businesses who are doing the best they absolutely can do during this very difficult time. But also wanted to provide a reminder about if you are wearing gloves and masks while you're running those essential errands, please make sure you're getting those into the appropriate trash receptacles. We're getting complaints and concerns from individuals about gloves and masks being left in shopping carts and in parking lots, and we really hate to see that. So please help us by doing your part and making sure those get into the appropriate places. So thanks again for all you're doing. Thanks again to our J.M. Robinson friends, and we will see you again tomorrow. Have a good night.